to Perfect Laser Live Show. I'm today's host, Maggie. Hello, welcome. Okay, today is my great honor to introduce our Perfect Laser to you, and we will also tell you how to choose the Fiber Laser marking machine for you. So welcome to join us, and thank you for watching our live show. Uh, if you like our live show, you can click here, follow us, click here to follow us. And if you need some information about our laser marking machine, you can click here, catalog, to get the catalog. Also, if you need price and other information, you can ask us, email us. We can arrange our sales manager to offer you one person-to-person response to you. And if you like our live show, you can click here, support us. Thank you. You can see this. Okay, choose. Thank you for your for if you watching our live show and feel very good about our machines, you can get these bonus. You can see first, if order over 3,000 US dollar, you will get discount 50 US dollar. And if order over 7,000 US dollar, you will get 100 discount. And moreover, besides this, you will get the warranty, because everyone is concerned about the warranty. If you order offline, normally the guarantee time is only 12 months, but if you order online, like order directly in our live stream, you will get 24 months warranty. That's doubled. That's very big bonus for you. Okay, you will see this. You not only get the discount, you will double the warranty time. So if you like our live stream, you will support us here. Okay, now let me introduce our Perfect Laser. First, Perfect Laser is the professional manufacturer in the laser field machine for over 25 years. We established it in 1995. You can see very long history. And our products have many ranges, including the laser marking machine, laser cutting machine. Hello, hi, welcome Mark. Hello, welcome Abdel, and welcome Garrido. Thank you for the friend coming join our live stream. We produce the laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, anything related to the laser we produce. And if you have a special request, we can customize for you. Like we help customer to customize the conveyor combined with the laser marking machine for the pen marking, for the cassette, the plastic marking, and the light bulb marking. We can have a lot of fixture. So if you have any request, special request, you can tell us. We can make for you. Okay, this is our machine, and we have got many certificates. Certificate is very important for export company. For export, this is CE certificate. You can see it's our CE certificate, and oh, sorry, that's the rose. Sorry, this is our CE. Sorry, my eyes are not very good. Now this is the CE. This is the rose certificate. ROHS, rose certificate. And this is the Gold Plus Supplier Assessment Certificate. It's issued by the SGS. SGS, that's the famous international institution. They issued us. We are the gold supplier, and also the Alibaba. You can see also the Alibaba. Okay, so with the CE certificate, rose certificate, ISO certificate, and many customers may worry about the or CO, the certificate of origin. We can also arrange for you, and other paperwork, any certificate you need, you can tell us. We check and we reply to you. Okay, these are guaranteed. All our machines can export to your country safe and smoothly past the customs, past your customers, and we have export to over. Oh, hello, hi James. Hi James, welcome to our live stream. Okay, so many friends coming and more details here. Okay, so our machines export to over 180 countries all over the world. So you don't worry about our machine quality because we have export to many countries, maybe including in your countries, and we have over 25 years experience in the laser machine field. So our machine quality is stable. After all years of experience, we can make our machine running smoothly and stable. Also, our engineer is professional with so many years experience. We fix the problem for customers. We help customer to guide them how to use machines. So we have the rich experience for this. And also our after-sales service, that is also very key point for the new customers. Some new customers, they don't know how to use the machine, and they bought the machine, they don't know how to operate it, or just a very tiny problem. You need someone to help you, right? But we have encountered some customers who bought the machine at a very surprise price, and after that, when they ask for any questions, nobody answers. So that is the difference between the service and after. So our after-sales service is guaranteed all these years. We get very bad back and customers thanks letters, and we can show you. We are very satisfied with our customer service. And some customers even repeat orders for 9 years. So they support us, we support them, we grow together. Okay, now let me show you. So let me show you our complete video. Okay, you can see this is our front door of our Perfect Laser. It's our office, and this is our honor ward. It's our sales team. Hello, Wong. Welcome, friend from Vietnam. Okay, this is our engineer design, and this is our workshop. Workers are assembling the machine. You can see very professional. You have many years, so make sure every components are loaded at the correct position and make the machine work smoothly. You can see each step is very sophisticated, and we have the strong. This is the 3 steps. This is the 5 laser marking machine, compact one, and this is the testing the machine, and this is dot pin marking machine. This is CNC. This is a CO2 laser cutter. CO2 laser cutter. This is a 5 laser cutter to cut the metal. 5 laser cutter. Have 100 watt, 200 watt, 300 watt, and 600 watt, and if you need 1200 watt, we offer. Okay, this is CNC router. You can see so many machines we can make for you. This is our team. We support you the after sale, the before sale. This is our engineer marking samples for the customer. So if you have any request, you can ask. This is docking marking machine. You can see this is already a letter bending machine. Is for the advertising company, for the sign graphic making. This is a CO2 laser cutting machine. Cut the wood, acrylic, and plastic. You can see a listed inkjet printer for the date coding. And this is also the laser marking machine, marking the logo. Okay, this is our company. You can have a general idea of our company, right? Okay. So you can already see this is our inside our factory. This is our production line, and these are all the half finished machines. So it can keep our delivery very fast. Some customers even pay yesterday and got the machine today. That's very fast because we have so many half finished material here, and we can make fast delivery for you. Okay, now after this, let me show you some samples of our fiber laser marking machine can mark for you. Okay, so as you know, the fiber laser marking machine is mainly for the metal marking. It can mark on the metal, kind of metal, the carbon steel, the stainless steel, aluminum, the brass, the copper, the gold, silver, any kind of metal. Let me show you. Let me show you some samples. Okay, this is the stainless steel, very thin stainless steel, coated with black, and it's marking the bicycle on it. You can see it's marking, and marking the letter on it. You can marking your company name on it. Also okay, the logo, your company logo, if you have, you can mark like this. This is the stainless steel. Okay, this is the, you can see, this is Christmas tree. Christmas is coming. You can mark on the metal. This is the metal. And okay. This is also the marking. You can see this is the dragon, Chinese dragon. You can see very fine lines, very tiny line. It can still mark very vivid. And this one, this is cartoon image, right? If someone like the game, you will have a lot of image can marking with this. Okay. See, this is the tower. This is the tower, the house, the Asian house. You can see the Asian house marking. See each side. Okay, this is marking on the aluminum. Okay, don't worry, we will, this is the aluminum coated the name card. When you buy our machines, we will send you free gift. This is the free gift for you, so you can use this to training, to learn familiar with our machine to make your metal name card. You can see it's our metal name card with the QR code, with all kinds of very tiny, the number, the letter, your company name, your name, anything you want to mark, you can mark on this. You can see this is all we are marking. You see the tiny dragon, and you can see this is for the cattle, right? For the cattle, actually it should mark on the name tag, but we can also mark like this. They have their ID card, right? The same as the human. Okay, and this is also different color. You see, this is the butterfly marking, very beautiful. And this is the beautiful lady marking, right? So you can mark many kinds of things. This is the Chinese dragon, very fine lines marking. So, okay, this is our nameplate. Each machine will have the nameplate. It's like the ID of each machine. So, if you have company, you can make your own nameplate, and like this nameplate with the QR code, with anything on it. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can see any pattern, any design, just import it to the machine and you will get it. It's very easy and very fast. You can make anything. This is the name card marking. These are the metal. It's not the paper, it's the metal. It's the metal. Okay, that's the aluminum, that's very thin. Now let me show you some marking on the stainless steel. You can see it's very shining. Stainless steel, you can see the pattern, right? On the shining stainless steel. You can see perfect laser. It's all working. And also the beautiful lady marking on this. It's very vivid. And also this one is one of the customer mark on their metal parts. So many messages, but it still can you can see it very clearly, right? And it's black, marking black on it. So if your parts need marking all of this, you can use this. It's permanent marking. It's not like the inkjet marking. It's permanent. You can't scratch. You can see when I scratch, nothing left. It's still on it. It's not like the label will be damaged. Okay. This you can see is this machine. Actually, our fiber laser marking machine can mark color on the stainless steel. You can see the color, the blue color, a little gray blue, right? So that make your marking special and make your product special. Okay, some customer may worried, what about the language, right? You can see it's marking the Hindi language. And let me see another. Let me show this one. One moment. Okay, Hindi language. Let's see. So any language if you want to mark, you can also mark it on it. It's marking how to mark in black. We will let our engineer tell you. So you can mark black on the stainless steel, mark black, and mark white. Stainless steel. This is marking white. Stainless steel. Okay, these are the stainless steel, and also some tag. Some customers do the tag business, right? For their pet, like dog or cat. You can see this is the beautiful dog, shining dog tag. You can wear it on your pad. Put your pad name and the number on it in case they want to find you. And even you can put your text picture on it. You can see this is the small picture of the cat, right? Okay, this is the ear tag marking. It's brass. It's brass marking, so it can mark on it. Okay. This is the bangling bracelet. Some customers do the jewelry business, right? They will mark in the ring, make the name necklace, and marking on the bracelet. They can use our fiber-laser marking machine. And yesterday, one of our customers from India, he just shared me their name. Let me show you. He just shared me some beautiful name tag he made. Okay, you can see they use our machine to engrave this. This is the share me. It's very beautiful name tag with our fiber laser marking machine, 50 watt. You can see it cut very well. You can see. So, and he's now asking me to teach how to use the rotary to mark on this. You can see, you can mark outside. You can see outside the name, or you can mark inside. You can mark inside. So if you have some business related to the jewelry market, you can contact us. We can equip with you the rotary. The rotary help to do some curbside marking. Okay, some customer also asked about the marking on the thermal cap. The cap is marking pattern, beautiful pattern marking. Okay, hello, Noah. Welcome, Ahmed, and Michael. Welcome. Okay, this is the cap, and you can also mark your logo at this side. This is also the marking, right? This is beautiful and it's permanent. So. Some customer may have some pipe, the round pipe, they can also mark. See, this is marking, the round pipe marking. You see marking here is marking. Later I will show you the video, the marking, how to mark the rotary. I will show you later. And this is the big one, and this is the small one. This is the road. This is not a hollow. This is a tag. You can also mark this. You can see, mark the date, mark the texture, kind of things on it. You can see mark on it. You can see this. Can you see it? You can see the ladder. You can see. So this is very heavy. Okay. So, fiber laser marking machine can mark on all kinds of metals. As I showed you, the copper steel, the mild steel, the stainless steel, and the aluminum, the brass, and even the wrong type. Okay, all kinds of metal. And it can also mark on some plastic. You can see this. Let me show you some plastic. This is many customers ask. This is the ear tag, right? ear tag for cattle, for cow. Is the ear tag. You can see this is the some material is the TPU, right? The TPU. If you're doing business, you will know this TPU. Because plastic have many kinds of the PVC, PE, HDPE, low LDPE, all kinds of different, so many materials. Some can mark on, some are not able to mark. So you can see, you can mark the barcode and the big letter and big number. You can see this one. Also, this is the green color. Green color also mark on with the black, right? The logo. See, and this is beautiful, marking the this dog, the sheep dog. You see, it's so beautiful. You can mark anything you want. You can mark their image on it. The cute dog. And this is the cat. Cat. Beautiful cat. Some don't need the barcode, just the big letter. We can also mark. You can see how big. It's the big size. You see ear tag. And some use just the small. It's very small. This is plastic. This is also the small plastic, and they mark from 1 to 10. You don't need to mark one by one. You just set ready in the software, and it can mark directly from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It marks directly. You don't worry to change every letter 1, 2, 3, 4. It's automatic marking. Okay. So, some plastic. Let me show you plastic. Okay. It's a switch. Every house will have that, right? Because too many switch, you don't know which one control where, and then you can mark the. You can see it's the for bedroom light, so you can mark bedroom and mark the simple image before that. And this is for Chandler. This is for the living room, dining room. You can mark this. And this for wall lamp. You can mark this. This is marking for the switch. You can see this is the switch. This is the PVC material and with the coating. But you can see it's marking very dedicated. And also, this is the common thing. You can see this is the big common thing. You can see mark here, open and closed. You can even mark on this with the lot number. You can see each lot number on it. You can see this. It's marking. It can mark for you. So, okay. Let me show you something. Okay, somebody even asked, can it mark on the paper? Right, it's marking. Because some need the fine marking machine for their production, like the data coding, because laser don't have any consumables, not like the inkjet printer. It has many. You need to install the ink and the solvent. It's just light marking, and the machine can use 8 to 10 years without any consumable. You can see this is the date we mark. This is the date we mark here. It's the date we mark. This is actually the chocolate box. Okay, the chocolate we have already eaten. But on the back side is the perfect laser. On the back side, we can also print anything special designed on back side. So this is unique. So it's not only the date coder, it also can mark special themes, special letters on the back of your box. So this is our 5-laser marking machine work for you. Okay, let's see some other things. Okay. Some because like end of the years we will have some promotional gift, like the gift paper, gift pen. You can see mark your logo or your customer's name on each pen. You can see we have a lot of other things. You can see all kinds of pens marking. Let's see, this is our promotional gift. Let's see, mark the logo, the company logo, and you can send this to your customer. And even this, okay, even this is the plastic, because this is the actually the metal coated with some rubber, but it still mark very vivid. Well, this is totally black plastic, right? Plastic, but it can also mark your logo on it with plastic. This is for pen business, for promotional gift. You can mark. Okay, so I have shown you a lot of samples, so you have a general idea about what our machine can do for you. 5-laser marking machine can mark on metals, all kinds of metals, the carbon steel, mild steel, the stainless steel, the aluminum, the brass, the copper, the gold, the silver, the titanium, the tungsten, all kinds of metal. And it can also mark on some plastic. I have showed you before the plastic, the TPU, the ear tag, and let's see, all these ear tags here. This is the plastic, and also the switch. Like if you have doing the kitchen and the kitchenware, this is can mark on the panel, on the plastic panel. Okay, now let me introduce you the machine. Okay, you may know we have. Okay, today I will introduce 4 machines for you. You can see the first one is the hand-held type machine. This type of machine can mark with the handheld. You can mark according mark big object, because some big objects are very hard to move. You can't move the object, but you can move your machine. You can hold that laser head and mark on it. And this is the desktop. This is the classic type. It's a desktop 5-laser marking machine. And this is the floor type, because some customer want the computer, want the table, so they choose this one. And most jewelry business customer will choose this type because it has the computer, has the table, and equipped with the rotary. It can mark your jewelry, doing all kind of things. Like the customer I showed you before, he shared me the name necklace card, right? And this one you can see with the top lifting hole. This is for the production line. This is the fly marking 5-laser marking machine. So this 4 is the general idea. Let me introduce it one by one. Okay, first let me introduce one by one. This one. This is the class type. Almost 80% of the customer will choose this one because it's small size, it's on top of the desk, and it's very simple. and easy to be shipped by the DHL, UPS, FedEx. The total weight is about, after pack, is about 60 kilo. So it's very useful for this. Like this, you can see this. This is the desktop. It's a control box. It's the lifting with the ruler on it, and this is the work table. And the head, there will be the scanning head on it. And we will equip the laser source, and then the total machine will finish it. Okay, so let me show you the work video of this machine. You can see how to finish your work. You can see it's marking. Hello, robot. Welcome to our live show. Okay, you can see it's already finished. The laser, it's very fast. It's marking very fast. You can see it's the rotary marking. I said I will show you before. It's rotary marking. Okay, this is the desktop type. You have to use your own computer because the desktop type not equipped with the computer. But we will have the software and the training video inside the U-Disk. Together with the machine, when you get it, you install the software in your computer, and then hook up your computer with the machine, then the machine can work. Okay, let's see. It's the marking sample. This machine can do for you. You can mark the ring on all kinds of metal. You can see all kinds of metal marking, small parts, big parts, and you can see this. Even the bird ring, the kitchenware, the spoon marking, and some plastic marking. You can also marking. You can see this is of good quality output beam, high reliability. It can carve both on the metal material and some non-material. Alexandra, hi, welcome. And let me see some non-metallic material, mainly marked in the area of smooth and fineness demanding, such as electronic components. IC parts, it can also mark on IC parts, plastic button, you can see on the plastic button, and other graphic surveys. Okay, let me show you the details. How many parts for this machine? First, the key part is the laser source. The laser source, you can see, is like this. Normally you will have 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, and if you need 100 watt, then you need the floor type, because the 100 watt laser source is very big. The desktop control box can't hold it, so you have need the big type, the floor type, to hold the laser source. This is the key part, the laser source. Okay. The laser source have many brands. You can see, you will learn from the market. They have the Max brand, and the famous one is the Rakers. And some customer need high quality, they will choose the IPG. IPG is the Germany brand, right? Germany. And also the JPT, the MOPA. That is special for the color marking, JPT. So any brand, if you want, you can tell us, we can equip it for you. So of course the most popular brand is the Rakers. And the second part is the digital galvanometer laser scanning head. This is also the key part, the scanning head. The scanning head will have different speed and different precision. That is why the price is different. Okay, the three one is the control system, the control card. This is the control card. This is the red. Four is the red light pointer. The red. Why use the red light pointer? Because this laser is invisible. You need something to fix the position. So you need the red light to guide you where is the correct path for your marking. The red light will show the marking area and will show where to start marking. This is the red light. Okay, the lifting handle, this one, the lifting handle. You can choose this to make a scanning head, make the distance, adjust the distance of the scanning head and the marking pieces. You see, if you want up, you can roller. If you want down, you can roll it down. This is to adjust the focus length. So why you need to adjust this? Because you can see if you mark this, because the focus length is fixed. If you mark this very thin, so the scanning head to the marking object, you have to keep the same length. So that's the. But if you mark this one, so if you mark this one and mark this one, is the distance the same? No, you need to adjust. You need to adjust. You can see that's why you need the ruler, because you mark this thick, this distance, and you mark the same, and this is different. That's why you need to use this to adjust to the correct position, to the correct focus length. Adjust. We will have a training video to show you how to adjust. And the ruler scaler, right? This have the ruler. It's marking on the have each ruler, so you can remember that parameter of your logo. Okay. It's the portable handle. This is portable handle, easy to carry, easy to move. And also the key part is the software. It's the brain. It's the brain of the machine. So for the software, some may don't know what kind of software. The software is the EZCAD. It's the English name. Some customer may ask, what about the BJJCZ, right? That's a little, because that's the Chinese shortening of this software. So the name is EZCAD. It's also equal to the BJJCZ. Okay, you know that. And for about the software, this is also some tricky, because we use the licensed software. You know, licensed software will have high price. Well, some other small factory will use the pirate type. You know, some compact type, different type. So different type of software, the price is different. So the total machine is different. You have to be careful about this. And when you get the price, you know that. Okay, this is the main feature of our machine. First is the good marking result. This machine, good marking result, because laser marking is very fine. And it can meet user requirement of various elaborate pattern in tiny surface is marking. And the laser marking is high speed, high efficiency. It significantly improves the marking quantity in the same time, accelerate the user's return of investment. And also is the high rate electric optical converging, because it just uses the electricity and the optical conversion. the no power coupling loss. You can see this, no power coupling loss, and the safe operation cost. The laser device can work, let me see, 100,000 watts lifetime, and the maintenance almost free, and no consumables. And the first feature is integrated structure. It's compact. You can see it's very simple, compact, and small desktop, easy delivery. Oh, this is simple. So this is why some advantage. You can see it's low cost to use, no wearing parts, no cost to use, no wearing part. Free of maintenance is high speed. Imported laser scanning system make the marking speed up to 7,000 millimeter per second, and high precision. The high precision is 0.002 millimeter. It's very precision, and it's energy saving. The efficiency of the electro-optical converting is up to 70%. So it's very energy saving and high reliability. The mean time between failures is over, let me see, 100,000 hours. You can see this, 100,000 hours. And integrated and compact. This is small size, is only 0.5 cubic, 0.5 square meter, and it can be put on desk, easy to store, and easy operating. Easy operating because we have the English training video inside, and we also have engineer to guide you. If you don't know, you can contact with us. We can guide you. And the machine have 10 years long lifetime. So once you buy the machine, you can use it for 8 to 10 years. So it's really worth. And it has no consumables. Just to use the machine, you don't need to buy extra anything. You don't need to buy any consumables because there's no consumable. Just the laser. Okay, and it is the air cooling. Because the machine uses the air cooling system, and it's inside. The total is very. Hi Daniel. Welcome to our live stream. Just introduce the 5 laser marking machine. Okay, let me see. You can see different quality 5 laser marking machine will have different effect. Some customers just check the parameter and check the configuration, but it's all written on the paper. Everybody can read on the paper, but what you will receive is the same on the written on paper. We're not sure about that, but we can guarantee our company use what we marked, what we written on. We use the genuine brand spare parts and licensed software, and all quality components make the machine running smoothly. And you can see the different marking effect. It's marking on plastic. You can see his other normal will have dark color, surrogate edge, rough surface. While use our machine, it will have contrast on high contrast on color, lead edge, and smooth surface. Well, if marking on the metal, you can see this. It's a large area of heat. Well, on this is almost no heat effect. And also the marking speed comparison, because laser is very fast. Actually, even it is so fast, the marking effect will still have slightly difference. That's why the price is different, because the marking result is different. Why the result is different? Because every component, every production process all make the difference. Okay, so now is our bonus time. You can see if you order in our live stream, you will order over 3,000, you will get 50 discount, US dollar discount. If you order 7,000, you will get 100 discount. And moreover, the warranty time. Some customer may concerned about this. The warranty time, the normal order, offline order only have 12 months warranty. Well, if you ordered here, order in our live stream, you will get double 24 months warranty. That's very big. That's very big bonus for you. So you can keep in mind for this. If you want longer warranty, you can order here. Order here. Okay, let's continue to the second machine. Okay, second machine is this. This is the four type. Four type. Okay, one moment. Let me show you this. This is four type. Because the first machine don't have the computer, don't have the table. Well, some customer want the computer, want have the table, so they can choose this. And if you want 100-watt high power, you can also choose this type because this is the same as before. The fiber laser source can use 8 to 10 years, and also have the PC because you don't need to install by yourself. We have already installed the software and calibrated the machine before shipment. So when you get the machine, you just open the computer and just use it. Do not need to worry about the installation and any kind of things. So it's very friendly for the newcomer. And the software have already, one moment, some customer asked. Okay, let me see. They asked, still it works, it's not, okay. Oh, well, fix that later. And the software, okay, and the marking sampler, because it's the fiber laser marking, so you can mark on most metals and some plastic. So, and this is the some parts made for this floor type. You can see the ruler scale, the marking head, and the ruler, and the display, and the marking switch, and the industrial computer inside this control box. And this is the video. Let me show you how the machine works. You can see it's marking the year tag. You can see it's marking very fast, marking the barcode. Hello, Alfredo. Welcome to our live stream where introduce the fiber laser marking machine, the floor type. You can see it's marking the year tag. Very fast, and it's black color. You can see it's marking, and marking very fast, even for big numbers. Okay, let's see the product detail. Detail is similar like before because the laser source I have introduced before. The laser source 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, and 100 watt. And the laser source brand have Max, have Breakers, have the JPT, have the IPG. That kind of low power laser. And this is the vacuum absorption workbench. This is the work table with a computer inside, with control box inside. And this is the switch power supply. And this is the wheel, the universal wheel. It can move the whole machine very easy to any place in your office, in your room. And it's also the fast speed digital scanning head. Scanning head make the marking high speed and high precision. This is marking. And this is the marking switch. Easy to operate with the full switch, the emergency button. And this is the professional marking software. We have installed software inside the computer, so you don't need to worry about the installation. This is the fiber laser head. And the lifting handle, the same as the desktop type. Lifting handle to adjust the focus length when you're marking the different thickness material. And this one is including the PC computer inside the control box, and this is the holder hold the display, hold the computer display. This is the air cooling. You can see 3 air fan, and make sure because this 3 air fan we use the metal fan. That's why our price is high. Well, some other customer will want to see the lower the cost. They use the plastic fan. You can see the plastic fan compared with the metal fan, which one used longer time, which one give the laser source enough cooling, and which one can use longer. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Hello. And this is the TCT display holder. Okay, this is the other advantage. Advantage almost the same as before the desktop. It has low cost in use, high speed, high precision, energy saving, high reliability, easy operating, 10 years, longer time, no consumable, and air cooling. It's similar. Okay, let's see. Again is the bonus time. Again, if you order this type in our live stream, if order over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. If order over 7,000, you will get 100 discount. Moreover, the warranty time. The warranty time, if you order offline, you just get the 12 months warranty. Well, if you order online, order here, order in our live stream, you'll get double. It's 24 months warranty. It's very worthwhile. So if you want to more warranty time, you can order here. Okay, now let me show you the third type. The third type, this is, you can see this design is a little special because it has the holder on the scanning head, right? Because it is portable, it's powerful. Let me show you how it works. This is the work video. You can see it's even smaller than the desktop, and you can remove that laser head to every place to mark. Then you load that holder. It's the fixed focus length, so you don't need to worry about marking with the portable type, right? It can mark everywhere, even when some metal sheets are very big, some mold are very heavy, you can't hold it, you can use this. You can hold your small laser marking machine. Just hold the head and marking on everywhere you want. You see, it's portable. It's portable. Okay, you can see this main feature is simple operation. You can see you just hold this and click that place. It's marking. And other features are the same as that before. Just this one. This is the let me show you. Okay, just this one. This is the portable type. It can be removed. Hello, sir. Welcome to our live stream. This one. Some customers use this to mark on their rubber tire. It can also mark on the rubber tire. And about their advantage is the same as before. 3 machines. It's low cost in use, high speed, high precision, energy saving, high reliability, integrated and compact, easy operation, 10 years, long lifetime, no consumable, and air cooling. It's the same. All the 5 laser marking machines share the same advantage. Okay, the sample is also because it's the fiber laser. So fiber laser can mark on all metals and some plastic. Okay, this is some parts. You can see again the laser source is the heart. It's the heart of the machine. You can choose 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, and the brand Max, Rakers, IPG, or GPT. And the second one is the digital galvanometer laser head. And this one is special because the laser head can be separated from the machine. And you can hold it to anywhere you want to mark. This is the special one. And you can see this is the focus mirror. Focus mirror. This is Singapore well-known wavelength brand with fast speed, high transparency rate. It's this one. And the control system, the same as before. And the red light pointer, because the laser is invisible. You need the red light to guide you where to mark. And this is the 3D, 3D work table. Can be lifted and shifted. Hi, Google Leather. Welcome to our live stream. Hello. We'll now introduce the fiber laser marking machine. Okay. It's the laser power supply and easy, and the portable handle. You can see this handle is very easy to move. And the power switch, emergency stop, the key switch, the main switch, and the software. Software the same, the EasyCAD or BJJCZ. It's the same brand, just it's the English name and Chinese name in short. Okay, and this is the whole machine looks like. It's even smaller than the desktop. You can see, because it can separate and can mark everywhere. Okay, so let me see. One moment. Oh. Okay. So the first type. Okay. The first machine we want to introduce is the fine marking machine. You can see this is very tall because it has a long pole. It holds the machine, so it can be equipped beside your production line. So you have this shaft to hold the machine, and this one uses the touch screen. This is different. The other 3 use the computer. These 2 use your own computer, and for type we have equipped the computer for you. And this one is use the LCD touch screen. And this is the laser machine with a tall shaft. You can equip it with the production line. When your products are moving under the machine, it can mark. You can mark with the date. Mark the date. Mark your expiring date. Mark the lot number. Anything you want to mark, you can mark on that. Okay, one moment, let me show how it works. show you the video how this machine works for you. Okay, here's the video. Okay, this one you can see is very tall. You can touch screen, and when the can move, you can mark the date code. You can see it's moving, marking on the moving object. So you have to choose this type. It's a fine marking type. Okay, you can see mark the line on the pipe to see the marking. Hi, Mustafa. Welcome to our live stream. Now we are introduce the fabric marking machine. You want to see it again? Okay, let's show you. Oh no, this is another. This is for pen marking. Okay, you can see it again. You can see this clearly. The LCD touch screen and the set parameter, and when your products passed, you will mark. It's very fast. Mark on the wire, mark on the cable, mark on the box, and then you can see it's marked very fast and mark clearly. Right? It's marked on the window shut, window frame. So it's moving and it's marking even on different language. It's marking pen. Okay. So let's see what the product details. You can see the laser source. The laser source for this type, the minimum laser source should start with the 30 watt, because 30 watt can catch up with the production line speed. If you use the 20 watt, it can't catch up with that. So it needs to start with 30 watt. And the laser source brand is IPG, Max, Rakers, JPT, anything you want, and brand you want. And the second part is the LCD screen. It's a touch screen. You don't need to use your computer, just use the LCD screen. And you can set the marking speed, the power, the frequency, and adjust the parameter with the LCD touch screen. And the laser high speed Gavin laser marking head. Speed can reach to 8,000 millimeter per second, and can super various speed of the production line. And the fourth is a high quality alloy case, because this control box is under the machine, and the laser source, controller card, and other electric circuit are all set up in the case. Also, these are have the exhaust fan inside it, air cooling the laser source. And the power laser beam bridge. This is the, oh sorry, one moment, let me show you this one. You can see this cable, the fiber laser cable, through this bridge to the scanning head and the laser marking. So, and the lifting handle, you can also set, because with high the torque. Oh, one moment, let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, it's moving. Okay, this part. Okay. It's simple, and because it's long cord, you can move the shaft to some. If you mark on the surface, the head is here. If you want to mark the side, the mount machine side, you can put your laser head vertical. And if you want to mark the bottom, you can switch the laser head to the bottom, so and you can adjust. And the seventh part is the meter counter. This is a very important production line. Some table marking, some wall marking lead the meter counter because they want to mark exactly on that place and with the lens fixed. So they need that meter counter. It's specially for cable and pipe production line. It can count the distance between each marking. So it is the meter counter. Oh, it's moving to another. Let me make it back. Meter counter. Okay. It has the universal wheel. It can put this machine to different production line and easy to moving. Okay, you can see it also equipped with the production. If you want us to equip you the conveyor belt production line, you can see have different type, different size. Just tell us what you did. We can equip the conveyor to you. This is our customer visit our company and we show how machine works to them. Let's see. Okay, these production features you can see is the perfect laser online fly marking machine, and it's for mass marking on the production line. It with the special lifting style structure, laser head with the function of the automatic sensor because it has a sensor. So only when the machine, when your object move, the sensor can catch that and then give the instructions to the laser machine to mark. Hi, yes sir. Is there any camera to get precise marking on very tiny pieces? Yes, we can equip. We have the CCD camera auto position to the tiny IC parts equipped with the CCD. So when you scatter the CCD will automatically catch that and mark to the correct position. That's our special, another special type we made is the CCD. We have developed the UV laser with the CCD to our Vietnam customers. I will send you the details for you in future after the live stream and all the details. So let me finish this. Okay. It has special lifting style structure. You can see the lifting structure is very tall. It almost has 1 meter 8 cents, 1.8 meter. Okay, and the laser head has the sensor. So some customer may worry, what if laser marking all time? Can we stop that? So don't worry because we have the sensor. Only the sensor catch the object, it can mark. And if there's nothing pass through, the laser will not work. So it's totally safe. Don't worry. And the conveyor belt is an optional type. Our standard size is 1.2, is 1.5 by 0.2 by 0.8 meter. And if you need other size, you can tell us. We can customize for you. Sorry. Sorry, it's very cold. And okay, production features is long and economic lifetime. You can see. The fiber laser marking saws have 8 to 10 years lifetime. So when you buy this machine, you can use 8 to 10 years, and you don't need to buy some extra components because it don't have any extra components, actual consumables. Not like the inkjet printer, you have to buy ink and the solvent or like the and cartridge year by year. And low emergency consumption because it only uses electricity and it converts to the optical. And it is the air cooling. It's air cooling and also energy saving. And the control mode is LCD touch screen. Hello, Mohammed. Welcome to our live stream. Now I'm introducing the flying fiber laser marking machine for the production line. It can mark on the metal, on some plastic, and mark on the plastic pipe, mark on the wire, and it has the meter counter, has the sensor, has a fine marking system to equipped with your production line. And this is use the LCD touch screen, and it's maintained free, and it has the foot pedal. If you need some foot pedal and free your hand to do other things, we also equipped for you. And the marking software, the software is different, not like the others because it has the flying function, and it's particularly designed and written. Has multifunction of front interface and easy to operate it. It can achieve different marking parameter setting and application. Okay, you can see this is the parameter of the fly marking. Let's see. Output, we have said before, the output start with this 30 watt, and some customer may need high power, they will use 50 watt. And the laser wavelength is 1064 UM, and the marking arrow is the 110 by 110. Any customer may concerned about the marking speed. Marking speed is 250 characters per second, and the minimum character size is 0.25 millimeter, and the minimum line width is 0.015 millimeter. And this machine uses power supply 220 watt, 50 Hz. Is air cooling. And the power consumption of this machine is only 0.5 kilowatt, so it's very energy saving. Again, it follows time. If you order over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. If you order over 7,000, you will get 100 US dollar discount. Moreover, here is the warranty time. Many customers will be more concerned about the warranty time. If you order offline, you only get 12 months warranty time. Well, if you ordered here, ordered online, you not only get the discount, you also get double the warranty time, 24 months. 24 months, that's very big bonus for you. So thank you for watching. You can get this, especially if you order here. So if you have any special questions or special request for your marking, you can send us email or left a message here. We can answer you. And if you have other, let me see, answer you. Okay, here are some questions. Okay. One moment. These are some questions customer is asking. What kind of material can be marking by our fiber laser marking machine? Like we said before, it can mark on all kinds of metal and some long metals. As for the marking metal material, include the stainless steel, the carbon steel, the mild steel, the aluminum, the brass, copper, gold, silver, titanium, tungsten, any kinds of metal. And some Non-metal include the plastic, like the TPU, like this. Like this is the TPU. TPU is plastic, and some switch plug is also plastic switch. Switch you can mark on side, and even some packet box you can mark the date on it. You can mark back. You can mark back the design on side. Okay, this is what kind of material marking for the laser marking machine, and what's the marking precision? The marking precision can up to 0.002 millimeter. It's a very high precision. Some customers ask about what about the marking. The laser marking is very fast. The speed is up to 7,000 millimeter per second, and the marking speed it takes a few seconds to mark a logo on the product. If you need to work with production line, it can also have online, like we introduced you before, that list type. Like this, let me show you. This type, our 600 PDB 600. This can achieve the speed to 8,000 millimeter per second. This is the very fast speed for to catch up with the production line. And some customers asked what color can be marked. Well, actually you can see it's marked white color, marked black color. You see, marked black color on stainless steel, and marked colorful color. Colorful color. Marking color only on the stainless steel, no other metal. Only the stainless steel can mark color. You can see this is the blue, the red. Let me show you other. Okay. This you can see this is the color marking on the stainless steel. Cylinder. You can see this is the different color of marking. You can see the color is very antique color, right? Antique color, but it's still color. Okay, that's for marking color. It's only on the, remember, only on stainless steel, no other material, only the stainless steel. Okay, how about the marking effect? Because laser is the long contact marking. You can see all the video is marking. No, it's not. Let me show you this. Let me show some video again to you. Like this. You can see it's marking non-contact. You can see have the focus lens, right? It has still have some space for the marking material. So it's non-contact. You can see. Hi Mohammed, welcome to our fiber laser marking mission live stream. It's rotary marking. You can see, you can just see the light marking. You can't, there's nothing touch, right? Okay. So the effect is very high precision. You can see how tiny these words, this letter, this number, how tiny it is. It's very tiny. And some, let me see, marking. Let me show you some marking. Line marking. precision marking, the line marking. Okay, this one. You can see this tiny line marking the dragon, right? The tiny dragon. How tiny the line, you can see it's very dedicated, very dedicated. Also, we have this beautiful okay. This is the beautiful line. You can see this is the white line, and you can see this is the line. It's the same design, but have choose a different marking pattern. You get different effect. This is the very dedicated artwork. You can see different effect. You can see this is the white, and this is only line, right? It's very high precision. It's very high precision. Okay, let's see the next question. What's the working area of the laser marking machine? Okay, normally the standard size is 110 by 110. If you need a large size like 200 by 200, 150 by 150, 300 by 300, we can also equip for you. Even you want the larger, the 900 by 600 or some 600 by 600, we have the gun twin type. The head moving that type can meet the customer, meet your request. And we even have the dynamic auto-focusing type that can make the curve marking, make a 3D deep marking. Some customers want the deep marking deep before they will use darker marking, but laser marking also can mark deep. Just use the 3D laser marking. You can mark very, very deep and achieve the relief effect. Okay, this is the working area. If you have any special request, or some customer may marking on the keyboard because keyboard is very long. We have the moving table. We have the electric moving table can meet this, and not only one electric moving table. We can equip two electric moving table, this side and this side moving. So we can equip for you as long as you need. And the next question is what the laser source. I have introduced to you before. We have laser source, the Max, the Rakers, IPG, the JPT. Okay, some customer may ask about what's the difference. Well, IPG is the German brand, and Max, Rakers, JPT, all the Chinese brand. Max is the laser source. Rakers will be more famous, and the JPT it is famous for the moped. Special for the aluminum marking black or some color marking, because use normal laser marking color will have a little complicated operation. While use moped to marking color is very simple and easy. Of course, the moped laser will be more easy, but more expensive than the other laser. Not include the IPG. IPG is the most expensive one. Okay, the next question is what the software of the laser marking machine. The software I have said before is the 90% of the laser marking machine use the EasyCAD, and it's another name. EasyCAD is the English name of this software, and its Chinese name in short is BJJCZ. It's the same. Just Chinese name and English name. Chinese name in short and English name. So some customer may mix up. What's the difference of these two names? It's actually the same software, just the name. One is English name, the other is the Chinese name in short. Okay. Next question is the fiber laser marking machine. What's the difference of the marking material of fiber laser marking machine and the UV laser marking machine? Okay, the laser marking actually have three types: the fiber laser marking machine, the CO2 laser marking machine, and the UV laser marking machine. Fiber laser marking machine mainly for the metal and some plastic. CO2 laser marking machine mainly for the non-metal like wood, acrylic, that kind of fabric, leather, that kind of material. And the UV laser marking machine mainly for the glass and some plastic. Some customers that the UV laser UV laser marking machine can mark all kinds of material. Technically, theoretically, yes, it is. But if you want to mark metals, it's better use the fiber laser marking machine. And for some material of the plastic, some fiber laser marking machine will mark better than the UV laser marking machine, and some UV laser marking machine will mark better than the fiber laser marking machine. So you need to test. It's not just say yes or no. You have to test, and then you can conclude the result. So, and you can see this one. Some silicon, some plastic. Let's see the UV laser marking or the fiber laser marking. Well, both can mark. And the glass. Okay, this is the glass. Most 80% the glass marking better with the UV laser marking machine, marking glass. Auto glass, any kind of, you can mark inside it, inside under it is marking, glass marking. And some plastic only can be marked on the UV, and some plastic only can be marked on the fiber. So that's why when some customers said, I want to mark on the plastic. So what kind of plastic? We have so many plastic, we don't know which one your plastic is suitable. So it's better you can send the material to us, we test it for you and tell you the result in case you buy the wrong machine. So if you have any other special request or need testing, you can send us. We can free sampling for you. We can free make stamping video to you, so you can know better about the marking. Okay, this is the fiber laser marking machine, UV laser marking machine. Okay, next question is what's the difference between the inkjet printer and the laser marking machine? Okay, that is the inkjet printer. The difference between inkjet printer and the flying marking machine. Inkjet printer, you know that it has the ink, has the solvent. You have to buy these consumables year after years. Well, fiber laser marking machine, you don't need to buy any consumables because it's the light, it uses electricity. You don't need any other consumables. You can use 8 to 10 years without anything you need to repeat purchase. So that's the one key point. And the second point, inkjet printer is used right? It can be removed easily by the chemical, while the laser marking machine is marking permanently. It can't be scratched or can't be erased, can't be modified. So if you need this, you better choose the fiber laser marking machine. The third one is the maintenance. You know, some inkjet printer, the most headache is the nozzle jammed and it can't stop. You have to clean it, sometimes not clean well, and it stopped long time and very headache. Well, the laser marking machine don't have these problems. It's just turn on the machine, working, turn off the machine, finish it. Nothing to worry. It's very easy to maintain. Okay. The next question is what's the power consumption? As I said before, the laser marking machine power consumption only 0.5 kilowatt. is very energy saving. 1 hour is only cost 0.5 electricity. Okay, and okay, what's the consumable of the fiber? Okay, like I said before, you all know no consumable, no consumable. Once you buy the machine, you will use it 8 to 10 years, and you don't need to buy extra things. Okay. Here are some other questions about our company. Are you a factory or trading company? Come on. You can see this. This is our workshop. You see, we have so many. We are definitely manufacturer, not a trading company. And we have over 25 years. For 25 years, we produce all kinds of laser machines and export to 108 countries all around the world. Okay. The second question is, where is your factory located? How can I visit there? Okay, our company is located in the Wuhan Optics Valley. Wuhan is the middle of the China. Wuhan is the middle of China, and in the middle of this year, our President Xi also visit Optics Valley. Visit here. So, welcome to visit our factory. Before COVID-19, we have many customers visit us every day. We got different. We got a customer from all kinds of different countries and visit us and give order to us. We thank you for this customer support, and we will continue service for these customers. So if you want to know more, and you can, if you have chance to come, we are warmly welcome you to visit our company. Okay. Next question is, how long is the leading time? Okay, for the laser marking machine, you can see all the half-finished material here. So customer order paid, we got the payment from customer yesterday, and we can even deliver the machine today. You can see how fast we can. Even if customer ordered 10 sets, 50 sets, we will make in 5 to 7 working days. If every raw material ready, and we can make very fast. So don't worry about the delivery time of the fiber laser marking machine, because this is very simple machine, and we have produced it for over 25 years, and it's very fast, and quality is stable, and after-sales service is also guaranteed. Okay. Okay, talk about how about the warranty time? Okay, this is warranty time. We have talked about in our live stream. Normally, offline order just a 12 months warranty, but if you ordered here, you will double the warranty, 24 months warranty. Here, this is our warranty time. And let's see the next question. Okay, let me see. What's the trade term? Okay. Suppose if you have the agent in China, you have friend, you have many resources, you have your friend, all kinds of friends. You have agent friend in China, we can deliver the machine free of charge to your agent friend warehouse in China. If you have the agent, and if you are the first time to import, you don't know the total process of the import, you can let us. You can use our forwarder. Our forwarder will offer the full service for you, and we can quote you the price of the CIF, DDU, that kind of things. And like this small machine, actually you don't need to put by sea. You just use the DHL, FedEx, and ship the door to door to your office, to your door. This will be more simple. for the first newcomer use this machine. Okay. What's the payment method? Normally, we will have the bank account to do the wire transfer. And if you have you have Chinese friend, remember just the Chinese friend, the Chinese ID person, you can still also pay the RMB to us. So this is only the Chinese ID, Chinese person, you can pay the RMB. And what about after sales service we can offer? Okay, we are lifetime technical support for the machine. Supposing you buy the machine and use the 1 year, and after that, like in 3 years, the machine have some problems, and you can still contact us and send us the video and the picture of the problem, and we check with the engineer and send the solution to you. And if you have the WeChat, we can group the WeChat, have the video meeting, and the engineer can guide you step by step by the video meeting, and to check what's the problem and to guide you how to fix it. So don't worry, if you buy our machine, you get lifetime technical support and the lifetime help. Some customers even buy our machine over 9 years, still ask us because some components after 9 years it went out, need to replace, and we guide them how to fix that, and it's still working very well. Okay. Okay, another problem is, do you have any certificate? Of course, certificate is a must for each exporting company. This is our CE certificate. You can see CE certificate. We have exported over 180 countries, so don't worry. And this is the RoHS, RoHS, RoHS certificate. This is RoHS certificate. And we also have the ISO certificate of the company. And this is the certificate, Gold Plus supplier. Gold Plus supplier. It's insured by the SGS. You know SGS, the famous international institution to insure, and it's insured by Alibaba. It's also here. You can see Gold Plus supplier. We are Gold Plus supplier. So you don't need to worry about this. And even some shipping documents we can make for you. Anything you want, we can make for you. Okay, next one. Do you arrange shipping for the machine? Sure, we can arrange. Like CIF by sea, by air, and by special line, we can arrange for you. And what about the packing? All packing are comply with the export. The export, because this camera can move. If you can move, we can show you the export. Wooden box is very safe and very strong packing. Some customers even have comments for our machine packing that is well packed and packed very fast, not like other company when they receive it crashed. So don't worry about the package. Okay, these are the questions. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. So you have a general idea of the fiber laser marking machine. Let me see. Today we have introduced the 4 marking machine. Do you still remember this 4? Which 4? Let me recap for you. Okay, this one. Today we have introduced you four type, right? This is the hand-held. It can mark the rubber tire, can mark the big metal object, big heavy metal object. This is a desktop. Desktop is the common use type. These two don't have the computer. You need to use your own computer. Okay, this is the floor type. It has the computer, it has the table. So it has this one. And this one is the flying marking. Flying marking, it's normally used in the production line. To mark on the moving object, like a metal can, like a wire, like pipe. It has the meter counter. It has the sensor, has the meter counter, has the fine marking system to mark. This is the four machine. You can see which one do you want. And we also have many other type, like other customers said the CCD, equipped with CCD, and the large size with the 3D marking, we can also make for you. So if you have any other special request, you can send us, and we can offer you the solution. Hello, Jasper. Welcome to our fiber laser marking machine live stream. And this is the four machine we're introduced today. And if you missed the previous part, you can have replay this live stream. Don't worry. And here, again the bonus time. If you order here, if order over 3,000 US dollar, you will get 50 discount. If order over 7,000 US dollar, you will get 100 discount. And moreover, this is the warranty time. The warranty time, if you just order offline, you only get 12 months warranty. 12 months warranty. But if you ordered in our live stream, you will get 24 months warranty. Not only the discount, but also double the warranty. This is very big bonus for the customer who watching our live stream today. Hi, Kathy. Welcome to our live stream. We are Perfect Laser. We are the manufacturer. We produce all kinds of laser machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, all kinds of machine related to laser and the CNC. Okay, and let me see. We have showed you our certificate. We have showed you our marking samples, what our machine can do for you. We also show the machine here, show our work. It's our all kinds of life, a corner of our workshop. And we have answered a lot of questions. So you have a general idea of our company, of our machine. Which type do you want? Or if you still have no idea of what machine you need, you can send detailed requests to us, and we introduce you through email and even through the video call if you want. And okay. Now how time flies. Thank you so much for watching and stay with us for so long time. I believe you must get a great understanding of how to choose the fiber laser marking machine. Like I have said before, the laser source has 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, 100 watt. And the laser source brand, the Max Rakers JPT IPG. What's the difference? If you forgot that, you can ask us and we send you the answers. And we also introduced the machine to mark on metal, on some plastic, if you have other special material, you can send us. We can make free sampling for you, and we can send the video for you. Also, if you need more, you can visit our website www.perfectlaser.net and leave the message for us. And if you want, let me show you. Let me show you again of our Perfect Laser factory. This is the office. This is the honor wall. This is our office. All the cells are work for you. It's our meeting room. And this engineer design the machine. And this is our workshop. You can see. And this assembling machine. You can see. Each step we focus on with sophisticated worker to weld, to make machine stable. You can see this part. The workshop very neat. And this the laser welding machine. So assembling the laser marking machine. Perfect laser. It's marking. The doping marking machine, CO2 laser cutter. You can see all the machines. And the fiber laser marker, fiber laser cutter, cut metal, cut big size metal. Fiber laser marker. You see. Hello, Malula. Welcome to our live stream. If you missed this, you can have replay this live stream. Okay, and this is CNC router. Okay, this is our team. Welcome to buy machine from Perfect Laser. We will support you from beginning to the end. You can see the marking. Marking quality is very dedicated and fast. Okay, now we can see it's the laser bending machine, the CO2 laser cutter. You can see cut acrylic, inkjet printer, print data coding. This is the fiber laser marking machine. Okay, this is our front door. A Perfect Laser. Welcome to visit us if you can. You can come to us. You are warmly welcome. Okay. How time flies. Welcome. Now our live stream will soon end, but we will introduce other machines to you. If you like our live stream, you can click here. Okay, let me show you. Where is it? Sorry, I can't find it. You can click follow our channel. We will introduce more other machines. If you want to learn more about the machine, you want to learn how to choose the suitable machine for your work, or if you don't know, and you can send email to us. And thank you for watching. Bye.